In a search form, define a value as a default value if it is applicable to most use cases. For example, if most of the data tracking phone calls occurs in a specific date range, you can customize a field to include default values of the date range. This video demonstrates how a search designer can add default values to a date range field and a radio group. Let's add the default values back to the same date range field. Edit the search and click the cog icon of the field being updated. When editing a date range field, there are two fields to update: the default from value and the default to value. For the default from value field, enter a date in the specified format, or click the calendar icon to select a date. Complete the same action for the default to value field. Don't forget to save your changes. Now let's add a default value to a radio group. Note the name of the search. Because the search is dedicated to right-handed batters, we're also going to hide the updated field from the end user. This allows the designer to hardcode values into a query that the end user cannot change. First, select the hidden field, which will ensure that the end user cannot see or update the radio group. Next, let's add the default value to the bats field. Click OK and click Save. Now let's view the same search form from the end user's point of view. Notice how the bats field we just updated doesn't appear in the form. Now this search form can only retrieve results for right-handed players. For more information about designing search forms, check out the other videos in this series.